Hello, Sir Alfred. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The Action Army AAP-01 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so ito yung medyo bolt type, no? Bolt type. Tapos, parang ano siya, Assassin's Gun. Parang may pagka-Ruger, no? So, ito, front and rear, fiber optic sights. So, yung switch niya for the full auto is on the bottom. Okay? So, on the left side, pag nasa left, it's on semi-auto. Then, switch it to the right para maging full auto. Okay? Left, semi, right, full. Okay, balik muna natin sa semi. Alright? So, ito yung magazine. Nilagyan natin ng maraming bala kasi nga magta-testing tayo ng full auto. Okay? So, ambidextrous magazine. So, pwede yata ito ilipat sa kabila. Yung, malamang pwede. Kasi ambidextrous eh. Okay? So, yun. Alright, so, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay, so check natin kung mahuhulog ba yung bala. Okay, kasi usually, maluwag pa yung, kumbaga hindi nila ina-adjust yung maluwag. Kaya, nahuhulog yung bala. O, di ba? Nahulog. So, adjust ulit natin. Lang. Okay, hindi na nahulog. Good. So, ito, FPS test and then accuracy test tayo. Alright, 0-0. So, firing. 338.1. 341.7, 354.9, 353.9. Okay na ba? Last one. 352. Okay? So ngayon, accuracy test na tayo tapos full auto test. Okay? So, for this unit, yung bilog na gagamitin ko is the second from the bottom, tapos second from the left. Okay, so send ko na lang sa yung picture after ko siya putukan. Okay? Yan. Before ko siya pack. Basta send ko na sa yung picture. Okay? So, ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 shots inside the 2 inches target. That is 2.3 meters away. Okay, so we have to test the full auto. Alright, wait. Lagyan natin ng bala kasi konti lang. Yan, lagyan natin. Tapos, lagyan ko na rin ng gas kasi malamang bitin na to. Alright, so ay wait, mali. Kailangan pala tanggalin ang magazine pag-adjust. Okay, so full auto. Ito. Hindi, yan, ganyan. So, burst mode. Okay, so ubusin na natin. Okay, so removing the magazine, ang bala, bolts open, back, hammer down. Ay, hindi, actually. Kailangan ko pala balik sa semi. Balik muna natin semi. Okay? Hammer down. Alright? So, ayun, Sir Alfred, okay na tong unit mo. So, gapa ko na siya, then padala ko na siya sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun, sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.